Today, we are going to make some grass. No, I'm not in Colorado, so it's not going to be that kind of grass. It's our techniques that are so simple and sensible, your mowers will practically build themselves.
Hello folks, it's Mad Dog Merv. Welcome to the Kit Hoarder Stash. Today I've got, well, this was my Christmas present to me. Yes. And another Warhammer kit. Okay, this is the Primaris Hellblasters. There's 10 miniatures in here. Actually get for the money, this is a pretty decent kit because you get the 10 figures plus a bunch of options. There's some other sets out there that I've wanted that cost close to this, and you only get half the figures. You know, I'm a bargain shopper, so let's open this up and see what's in it, shall we? First off, here's the back of the box. Shows you kind of how they're supposed to look. Looks like we got a sergeant in there, and then we've got some other guys with some very heavy plasma weapons. Ah! I have spilt. Again, nice job Games Workshop on having a nice small box for all the stuff that you get here. First off, we're going to start with the destructions. And typical before assembly, blah, blah, blah. What the sprues look like, what the decal sheet looks like, where the different decals should go, which is important. I'm glad they finally included that. It's kind of nice to know. So here's your assembly. This is the sergeant here, and you're going to have three different options, I guess. So just putting the body together. There's the two-piece for the torso, two legs, and then the backpack. As far as the arm goes, I'm going to choose for my first one none of these options here. I'm going to choose him actually carrying the bolt rifle, which is this option right here. This is what I'm going to do, or the bolt rifle, sorry, the plasma rifle. I'm going to have him right here carrying that in his right hand, and his left he's going to be firing a plasma pistol. So that's the option I'm going with. But here are your basically three different options you can do. Here's putting the arm on. You get three different heads you can put on, and then all of these other things you can put on the belt as you choose. Again, lots of options on what to do. And then you have figures 2 through 7 and what to do with them. Here you build this figure number 3, pose number 3, I guess. Build 2 of them. Their options. 4, you build 2 of them and their options. 5, 2 of them and their options. Anyway, you get to the end here and you can kind of see what you can do. So, and then this is how they play in the game. All right, now, as a disclaimer, I've already been in this box because I was in the middle of some decaling yesterday, and it comes with this really cool decal sheet that most of these Marines come with nowadays. So there's a lot of options here, but I needed some of these, so I went ahead and cut those out. But you can see it's really a nice sheet. A lot of nice options there. Okay, off to the plastic. And here we have 2 sheets of this. Now this is dated 2017, so I guess this is an older kit, but it looks really nice. your optional heads, which you got either the helmets or you got the faces. You got your okay, I got to figure out the proper term for these. The shoulder armor. You've got this unit back here that goes on the back of the backpack. Sorry. Got the ends of the plasma pistols or rifles. You've got a couple of the rifles here, and you've got a bunch of legs here. Now there's two of these. And as you can see, there's a couple of pieces missing because I've already built one of them. I was putting my sergeants together for my units, and I went ahead and built this guy. I'll tell you about that in just a minute. But there's the second one of these. And then you have two of these, which have your backpacks, a smaller, this is actually a bolt pistol, that's neat. And then you've got your different plasma rifles here, some more heads. These are helmetless heads. Some purity seals here, your torsos. Got one arm here pointing. It's not nice to point. Here's the other one. They're two of the same, so that's pretty neat. Some great options here as far as the weapons and how to have them holding them. So yeah, that's pretty cool. I'm going to enjoy having a few extra parts on this. And then here are the bases. They are look like the 28mm bases, which seems to be pretty common these days. 2013 manufacture date on those. All right, now the sergeant. So I decided to build him holding the rifle down here and firing the pistol here. One thing about this sergeant, though, look at his arm. Looks like he's been enhanced, if you will. It's kind of hard to see. Don't know how close I can get that, and you can still see it, but probably not real close. But looks like he's got a prosthetic from the elbow down. Pretty cool. He took a grand total of, well, with the nipping him off, the cleanup and whatnot, I'd say about 10 minutes to build. So nice, quick, and easy. I'm going to get him sprayed up, and we're going to get him, wow, we're going to get him finished up today. So there you go. All right, quick and easy. It's going to be fun. By the time you guys see this video, I should have them all built. So looking forward to getting this done, because this should pretty much complete my company of Blood Angels Space Marines. So we'll be looking at them soon. Thanks for joining us today, folks. We'll see you again soon on The Stash.